My name is Jonathan. I'm Director of Operations for the Western region. We're currently sitting in Edmonton. Originally, when the plant was built here, it was meant to supply all of Western Canada. It was the first plant that we installed in Western Canada in the 90s. Back then, everything was coming out of the Pointe Claire office. Now we've ended up adding another plant a couple of years ago in Vancouver. So this is the main Western distribution hub, but we also have the Surrey plant just outside of Vancouver that does kind of like lower mainland in BC. We definitely have a huge project right now where we're looking at growing our footprint in Western Canada as a whole. We manufacture mostly technical mortars on the dry side, so the Sika tops, the Sika grouts, and then we also have concrete admixtures. From Edmonton, we'll obviously deserve Calgary, Fort McMurray, pretty much all of northern BC, so Prince Rupert, Prince George. We have mines now that we're catering to, like more in like Red Chris mine and all that. That's like in the middle of nowhere in the mountains. Our biggest raw materials for the mortar side, which are cement and sands, are sourced locally. The cement guys are 20 kilometers west of us. For our liquid blending side, it's a little bit different, obviously. Most of our raw materials, or a lot of our raw materials, are coming from around here. We've got stuff from Villeneuve, which is about 20 minutes away. We've got a whole bunch of distributors who are in town here. The fact that we have steady supply that we can have here, like at a moment's notice, is definitely giving us like an edge in being able to supply and provide to our customers like in a timely fashion.